After the machine is powered on, the startup screen is displayed. Select the corresponding mode number according to the mode installed on the machine. For example, we choose mode number 4. Then find out the corresponding mode from all bending modes and install it on the machine. After installing the mode, please remember to check whether the mode number is corresponding. Select processing material copper. Enter the width, thickness, and angle of the copper busbar you want to process. After entering the value, click Enter to confirm. And then we start bending. Press the foot switch and the bending unit starts working. The bending has finished. If you want to make a U-bend, please select mode No 3. For example, select mode number 3, enter the desired thickness, width, and angle of the copper busbar. Then click Enter to confirm. Modes 1, 2, and 3 share the same concave mode. Install the concave mode and then install the No 3 U-bend die. Please make sure that the mode selection is correct. If you are not sure whether to click Enter before installing the mode, you can click again before starting to bend. The third mode is mainly used for folding U-shaped bends. In actual operation, the number of the mode you choose on the touch screen will correspond to the convex and concave modes of the mode installed. The modes are marked with numbers. Click the Z-shaped icon. Enter the L, H, LE, and LR values as shown in the drawing. Below the screen is the extended length of the copper busbar to be processed. For example, the extension length of the copper bar we set is 170 毫米. Select mode No 4. After selecting the mode and entering the value, click Enter and Write to confirm and start bending. As shown in the figure, the first and third values are 49 毫米 and are positioned according to the ruler on the bending unit. After the bending action is completed, we can see that its height is the same as the height set on the touch screen at the beginning.